Hi everyone, welcome to the Management Guide, a one-stop learning platform for all your exam preparation. If you have visited to our channel for the first time, then do hit the subscribe button and become the part of our learning community. Also, click on the bell icon to get notifications and stay updated with the latest content that gets uploaded on the channel. If you like our videos, then hit the like button. Also, share the videos with your friends and the near and dear ones. So, in this video, we will be discussing that what is the difference between MBA and PGDM. So, I think almost all the students who are planning to do a master's degree, this would be one of the dilemmas जहाँ पे majority of the students would get stuck कि हमें MBA डिग्री करनी चाहिए या हमें PGDM डिग्री के लिए करनी चाहिए, because almost these two degrees are similar to each other, but there are certain differences which make these two degrees different. So in this video I will be discussing about those differences which will help you in deciding that whether you should go for PGDM or an MBA degree. So starting about a PGDM degree, PGDM or a PGP degree is a postgraduate diploma in management. And if you talk about MBA, MBA is a Masters in Business Administration. It is a master's degree, and both the degrees are management degrees. But the first difference है MBA और PGDM में, that is by the end of 1 year or 2 years, in case of PGDM or in case of PGP, you will be getting a diploma degree. Whereas after completing your MBA, you will be getting a master's degree. So if you talk about MBA degree is more valued for job as compared to a PGP or a PGDM degree. It also depends upon the duration. If your PGDM or if your PGP degree is of 1 year, then it would not be counted, because if you are applying for a teaching profile, then teaching के case में you require a minimum of 2 years master's degree. So you need to be very careful that कौन सी degree आप किस purpose के लिए pursue कर रहे हो. The second difference is the syllabus of MBA and the syllabus of PGDM. So since MBA degree is usually offered by a university, MBA degrees usually universities offer करती हैं, whereas PGDM or PGP degrees are offered by autonomous institutions. There are very well-known institutions and top B schools that are offering PGDM or PGP degrees only. Majority of the IIMs, XLRI, all these institutions are providing PGDM degree only. So these degrees are provided by an autonomous institution, whereas MBA is always offered by a university. So the syllabus of MBA is designed as per the university curriculum, whereas in the case of PGDM or in case of PGP degree, the syllabus gets changed according to the institution. So there is a greater flexibility to the learners in terms of their learning skills and in terms of the core areas and the subjects that they will be going to learn in case of PGDM degree, whereas in case of MBA degree, the syllabus would be almost similar in all the universities. The third difference is regarding the recognition. MBA degree जो होती है, it is provided by the university, so it is always recognized, whereas PGDM degree you need to check, because since these PGDM courses are offered by autonomous institutions, so you need to always check that whether the institution from which you are doing or you have enrolled yourself for the PGDM course, is it NAC accredited, it is AICTE approved, whether it is taking part in the different ranking, what is the NIRF rank of the institutes, NB accredited है या नहीं. So you need to see, so you need to check all the things, the basic things, that because otherwise it will be waste after completing and after investing so much time and money. If your degree is not recognized, then it is of no use. So you need to see the recognition of your degree. Okay. The fourth difference is the focus area. If you talk about PGDM, so PGDM is highly specialized course. So if you are targeting a particular job or if you are targeting a particular sector and you want to enter into the corporate industry only, then you should go for PGDM, because it is highly specialized course and you will be only taught the papers that are focused. And MBA on the other hand is a generalized course. So The focus in case of MBA is it is not a very specialized course. Even though in MBA you will be selecting the specializations, but in terms of employability, in terms of the skills, in terms of the specializations, the PGDM course is more specialized. And the last point is the cost. So cost of MBA is, as compared to PGDM or PGP course, is less because it is offered by a university, and since PGDM or PGP courses are offered by autonomous institute, so the cost is typically high. So that's all in this video. So I think that through this video might have helped you to clear the differences between the PGDM and MBA degree, and it will definitely help you in choosing the right degree for yourself. Do share this video with your friends who are planning to take up these two degrees, or who are preparing for appearing in CAT and other management entrance tests, so that they can take a right decision. And do hit the like button if you think that this video has helped you. Thanks for watching and happy learning.